Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about how soap works. Soap interacts with water and reduces surface tension and pushes the fat molecules like dirt, oil, etc. outside in all directions and make it easy for us to clean. We can have a look at this working by a fun experiment with milk, food colors and dish soap. Now let's start our experiment. First, take the bowl of milk. Drop the food colors one by one into the milk, at least 3 drops. Do not mix it, add side by side. Next, dip the earbuds into the dish soap properly. Now dip into the milk onto each color. Now the soap reacts with the fat molecules and start pushing out in all directions. It was a spectacular view. As usual, before winding up today's video, we can learn one new word. Today's word is spectacular. S-P-E-C-T-A-C-U-L-A-R. Spectacular. It means very beautiful to look at. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.